So for that I'll simply go to the select layer and then I'll go to subject. When I press there, it will take some time and then it will select my image. Now you can see it is selected my image. So what I'll do, I'll press Ctrl C, then I'll Ctrl V, and then I'll remove the background layer. You can see that my image has been copied, so I'll hide the background layer. Now here you can see my image has been cropped, but some of the areas, as you can still see, have these cuts like so. Now these I can remove this part by simple going into the this tab as background eraser tool.